Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 7 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter statistics. And the lesson we are going to cover today are calculate mean, median, mode and range. Interpret charts to find mean, median, mode and range. Then mean, median, mode and range, find the missing number. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 7 maths. Chapter we're going to start with is statistics. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is calculate mean, median, mode and range. So let's just start with the first example. So for a homework assignment, Zain measured the volume of 8 drinking glass in his family's kitchen. The range of the glasses were 9 ounces, 7 ounces, 9 ounces, 8 ounces, 7 ounces, 6 ounces, 6 ounces, and 8 ounces. What was the range of the volume? So whenever you have to calculate the range of something in the data, what you have to do, you have to find the greatest number in the data and the smallest number in the data. Then you have to subtract the smallest number out of the greater one. That's the thing. That's the way you have to find the range. So here in this data, you have to find the, here is the definition. The range is the difference between the greatest number and the least number. Got it? So first find the greatest number. So in the given data, the greatest number is 9. Next, find the least number. So in the given data, the least number is 6. So how do you find range? You have to subtract. That is the difference between greatest number and least number. So you have to do 9 take away 6. So 9 take away 6 equals 3. So the correct option is 3. That means the volume of the given data is 3 ounces. Got it? Then you have to calculate the mean of the data. How do you calculate the mean of the data? What you have to do, you have to, that is the definition of the mean. The mean is the average of the numbers. You find the mean by adding the numbers together and then dividing by the numbers, by the number of numbers in the group. What you have to do, you have to add them up, and then there are 6 in the number, so you have to divide them by the 6. You have to divide their sum by 6 because the total numbers are 6. Got it? So when you add them, 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 2, they makes 36. So you have to do 36 divided by 6. Got it? That's how you calculate the mean. The next one is median. So for the median, what you have to do, when the numbers are arranged from least to greatest, the median is the number in the middle. So for the median, you have to arrange them from least to greatest, and then median is the number that is the middle one. So whenever you are given with the data, just arrange them from least to greatest. The middle number is the median. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let's just start with the first one. You have to calculate the mean. So for the mean, what you have to do, you have to add them all, and then you have to divide by the number of, by divide by the number in the groups. So there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Just add them up and divide them by 5. Got it? The numbers are 1, 2, 7, 4, 6. Just add them. 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6. It would be 6 plus 4, 10, 17, 18, 19, 20. The sum is 20. And they are 5 in number, so just divide them by 5. So 5 times what number is 20? 5 times 4 is 20. So the mean of the data is 4. Got it? That's how you calculate the mean. You have to divide 20 by 5. Got it? So the correct option is 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, the next one is in preparation from a move across town, Hugo packed 7 boxes weighing 7 pounds, 5 pounds, 6 pounds, 5 pounds, 8 pounds, 9 pounds, and 7 pounds. What was the median of the weight? You have to calculate the median weight of the boxes. You have to calculate the median of the values. So the numbers are 7, 5, 6, 5, 8, 9, 7. Okay. 7, 5, 6, 5, 8, 9, 7. So just add them all the numbers. You have to calculate. Sorry, let me just read the question again. You have to calculate median of the number. So for the median, you have to arrange them from least to greatest. So it would be 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, and 9. You have to find the middle number. So the middle one is 7. You can see 3 numbers here and 3 numbers here. So the median of the data is 7. Got it? So the correct option is 7. So the median of the given data is 7. Okay, what is the mod? So mod is the number that appears the most in the data. Got it? So you have just two numbers here in the data, 4 and 0. So which number appears most of the time? You can see 4 appears thrice in the data and 0 appears twice. Like 4 appears 3 times and 0 appears 2 times. So 4 appears most of the time. So mod of the value is 4. The number that appears the most of the time in the data is mod. You can note down the definition. The number that appears the most of the time in the data is mod. Okay, what is the median? So you have to calculate again the median. So for the median, you have to arrange the numbers from least to greatest and you have to look for the number that is the middle one. So let's just write them down and 5824243, 5824243. Let's just arrange them. Got it? So 2 is the least one. 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 8. You have to find the middle number, that is the median. Here you have 3 numbers and here you have 3 numbers. So median is 4. Got it? So the given data, the median of the given data is 4. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the median? That is 10, 9, 7, 3, 8, 10, 6. So which is the median? Just arrange the numbers from least to greatest and let me know the answer. Which is the median of the given data? Yes, it would be 8. So the correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is the coach carried footballs to practice 7 times this year. Each time he brought 5 footballs, 6 footballs, 6 footballs, 6 footballs, 8 footballs, 7 footballs, and 6 footballs. What was the mod of the numbers of footballs? So mod, which is the correct option? Mod is the number that appears the most in data. So which is the correct option? Which number appears most of the time? You have 5. 5 appears just once. Then you have 6. 6 appears one, 2, 3, 4 times. Then you have 8 that appears once, and 7 appears once. So that means the correct option is 6. 6 is the number that appears the most of the time in the data. Got it? So 6 is the mod value. What is the mean? 8, 10, 9, 10, 10, 1. So for the mean, what you have to do? You have to add them all. 8, 10, 9. 8, 10, 30, 39, 40, and 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divided by 6. So 6 times 8 is 48. So that means the correct option is 8. The mean is 8. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is interpret chart to find mean, median, mode, and range. So now you're given with the graphs, you have to calculate the mean, median, and range from the graphs. Let's just start with the first example. A stamp collecting club made a table showing the ages of its members. So here is the table that shows the age of the members. What is the mean of the numbers? You have to calculate the mean. Now you have to read the data from the graph and you have to calculate the mean. So let's just see. Barbara has 10 members. This one is 8. Just match these lines. Here you have 7. Here you have 7 and here you have 8. Now for the mean you have to add them all and divide them by 5 because they are 5 in numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 14 and 16, 30. It would be 40 over 5 and 40 over 5 is 8. That means the mean of the data is 8. Got it? The mean of the data is 8. The mean of the data is 8. Let's just look at the other examples. Okay, here is the next one. Roger kept track of how many boxes of cookies he sold over the past 5 days. What is the range of the numbers? You have to calculate the range first. Let's just read the values from the table. So here you have 3, here you have 2, here you have 8, here you have 7, and here you have 6. So how do you calculate the range? So for the range is the difference of the l- greatest number and the least number in the given data. So here the difference is 2 is the least one and 8 is the greatest one. So it would be 8 minus 2 equals 6. The correct option is 6. Got it? So it would be 8 minus 2 equals 6. Okay, the next one is with Winton kept a driving log to see how many miles he drove each day. What is the mod of the given data? So how do you calculate the mod? Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the data. Got it? So which numbers appears the most of the time? Let's just read the values from the graph. It is 1, 9, 9, 1, 1, 10, and 10. So which is the correct option? Which number appears most of the time? That would be 1. 1 appears 3 times in the data. Got it? So it would be 1. So that means 1 is the mod of the that given data. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let's just start with the first question. Winton kept a driving log to see how many miles he drove each day. So what is the mod of the numbers? So which is the correct option? What is the mod of the numbers? The mod of the data, that's the same we just did on the board. So here the mod of the data is 1. Very good. The correct option is 1. Okay, the school district compared how many math teachers each high school has. So you are given the table, what is the mod of the numbers? So you again you have to calculate the mod. So what is the mod of the numbers? Mod is the number that appears the most of the time. Yes, 9 appears 3 times in the data. So 9 is actually the mod. Got it? Okay, the next one is, sorry, I forgot to select the correct option. Okay, Pam looked at her email outbox to see how many emails she sent each day. What is the median of the number? So you have to calculate the median of the data. So how do you calculate the median of the data? Median is the number that is the median is the middle number of the data. So basically you have to arrange the numbers from least to greatest, and then you have to look the median. Here you have 3, 7, 10, 9, and 4, 5 it is. Let's just arrange them from least to greatest. It would be 3, 5, 9, 7, 10. So which is the median of the given data? Yes, that would be 9. 9 is the median of the given data. So the correct option is 9. Very good. No, that would be I think 7, not 9. I think I have arranged them. Probably it would be 7. Okay, the next one is, Kelly looked at her calendar to figure out how much time she spent babysitting each month. So here is the table for hours of babysitting. What is the mod of the numbers? You have to calculate the mod. So how do you calculate the mod? Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So it would be 7, 5, 8, 7, 8, 8, 5, and 9. So which number appears most of the time in the given data? Which is the correct option? It would be the mod of the data is 8. 8 is the number that appears most of the time in the given data. Very good. The correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is Roger kept track of how many boxes of cookies he sold over the past 5 days. So which is the correct option? You have to calculate the range of the data actually. So here you have 3, 2, 8, 7, 6. So which is the mod of the data for the range? For the range, what you have to do? You have to subtract the least number out of the greatest one. So which is the correct option? The least one is 2 and the greatest one is 8. So you have to do 8 take away 2. So 8 take away 2 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is okay, loading. Okay, Victor graphed the amount of snow that fell in the last 5 days. So what is the median of the numbers? You have to calculate the median of the data. So what is the median of the numbers? For the median, you have to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. So median is the middle of the data. Here you have the numbers are 8, 7, 10, 10, and 10. Just arrange them. It would be 7, 8, 10, 10, and 10. So which is the median of the data? The median of the data is 10. So the correct option is 10. Okay, the median of the data is 10. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is mean, median, mode, and range. Find the missing number. Okay, Carrie has the following data: Q 10, 15, 10, 7, and 11. If the median is 10, what which number could Q be? Median is 10. That means 10 is the middle number. Got it? So let's just arrange them from just use the concept. Median means if 10 is the median, 10 would be the middle number. Got it? Two numbers before 10 and two numbers before because you have five numbers. So two numbers must be before 10 and two numbers must be after 10. So after 10 you have two numbers 11 and 15. Now you are not given with the options here. If you are given with the options, it is easy to select the number from here. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test question. Skip the one because you're not given with the options here, so it is difficult to explain without options. Okay, yes, that's the same one. Okay, the numbers are, you have to, that is the median. So median means 10 is the middle number. So it will be 10. The greatest numbers are here because for the median you have to arrange them from least to great. Here you have 7. Now just look at the options. One is 20 and one is 7. The one number that is missing, that is q, that is before 10. Before 10 means that must be less than 10. So it would be 7 because all the numbers are arranged from least to greatest. See, they are arranged from least to greatest. Got it? So that means the correct option is 7. Just use the concept and find the missing value. So the missing value is 7. Rick has the following data. If the mod is 13, which number could J be? Mod is 13. Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the data. Got it? If you look at the given values, see, you have 12 two times, you have 13 two times, but you can see 13 is mod. Mod means 13 must appears the most of the time, but 13 and 12 are equal in number here. That means J must be 13 to make it mod. Now you have 13 three times in the data. That means 13 is the mod value. Got it? So the correct option is 13. Okay, the next one is Kimberly has the following data. If the range is 4, what number could Y be? Range is 4. That means the range is actually the difference of the least and the greatest number. Got it? So the least number here is 8. Then the greatest would be 11 minus 8 is not 4. Got it? You have to find the number that when subtracted from 8 makes 4. So that means y could be 12 because 12 minus 8 equals 4. Got it? Range is the difference from between difference of the least and the greatest number. So it would be 12 take away 8 equals 4. The correct option is 12. Y is 12. Okay, the next one is Lester has the following data: 11, 8, 12, 2m. If the median is 8, what number could m be? So you are given the median is 8. Got it? You have to calculate the median. For the median, we have to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Got it? The median is 8. That means the middle one is 8. After the 8, the numbers are greater than 8, so it would be 11 and 12. And before 8, you have the numbers that are less than 8. So now look at the options. One of them is 11, but here you already have two numbers. That means the number m must be less than 8, so it would be 2. The correct option is 2. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Okay, the next one is Lemmer has the following data. If the mod is 5, which number could D be? So D is which number? Mod means the number that appears the most of the time in the data, but here 5 appears just once. Got it? That means it must be 2 times so that it can be mod. So it would be, that means the D equals 5. The correct option is 5. Got it? Blanca has the following data: 17, 17, D 3, 6, 12. If the mean is 17, what number could D be? So which is the correct option? Okay, mean is 12. Mean is the number that is the sum of all the numbers divided by the given data: 17 plus 17 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus D actually, divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and that equals 12. You are given the value. Got it? You have to find the which number it is. Let's suppose if it is 11. I'm just supposing 17 because I'm just looking at the options: plus 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 11 over 6. Just add, divide 6. See, the answer is 12. Let me just calculate the value. 17 plus 17 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 11. It would be 66 divided by 6. The answer is 12. No, that means that must be 17. Got it? 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12. Yes, that would be. The missing number is 17. So I replaced the D by 11, but when I divide it by 6, it would be 11. But you are given the mod mean that would be 12, so it would be 17. If you replace the D by 17, add them up and divide by 6, the answer is 12. That means the median of the given data is 12. So the correct option is, sorry, 17. The correct option is 17. Okay, Monica has following data. If the mean is 9, which number could n be? Mean you are given. The mean is 9. That's the one, same we just did. Mean means you have to add them up, divide by the 4, and the value is 9. Let's just see if it is 7. 12 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 over 4. Let's just add 12 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8. That would be 36. And 36 divided by 4 is 9. Yes, that means the missing number must be 7. Got it? So the missing number is 7. Okay, the next one is Dina has the following data. If the range is 7, what number could y be? You have given the range is 7. Range means the difference between the greatest and the smallest number. So greatest number is 14, which is then y. 14 minus 12 is not 7. Range is 7. The smallest number is 12. That means the greatest one is then 19, because 19 take away 12 is 7. So the mod value, the range is 7. So that means the y is 19. The correct option is 19. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8, grade 7 maths. Where we are working on the chapter statistics, and the lessons we have covered today are calculate mean, median, mode and range, interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. And mean, median, mode, and range find the missing number. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Please ask questions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.